So as the new year is approaching, this is the time to send new year wishes to all your customers as well as the discount offers. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send new year wishes to customers via email automatically. So I have the details of all my customers in my Google Sheet and I want to send personalized emails for new year wishes to each of them. To automate this entire process, I am going to just set up a simple connection between my Google Sheets and Gmail, and that I am going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. So as you know, we are going to learn today that how we can automatically send new year wishes to all of our customers through email. So here I have the details of all my customers in my Google Sheets and I want to send new year wishes to each of them along with their specific names. But doing it manually is going to take a lot of time. Therefore, here I'm going to simply automate this entire process in such a way that all the customers I have in my spreadsheets are going to receive personalized new year wishes along with the discount offers and codes. And also when I'm going to add a new customer in my spreadsheet, the email will be received to that person as well. Now, to automate the entire process, we are going to build a simple connection between Google Sheets and Gmail. And that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any further time, let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And with this, you can see it has taken us towards a dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Okay, now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. First of all, it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let me provide a name over here. Send new year wishes to customers via email automatically. After giving the name to my workflow, here I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to customer management. So I've selected that. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here, the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new customer in Google Sheets, then automatically that customer should receive an email for the new year wish as well as the discount offer through Gmail. So here I'm going to take Google Sheets in my trigger step and Gmail in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the data is added in Google Sheets for the customer, then only the email will be sent to that customer, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. So to start with the process, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application as Google Sheets because we have to build the connection between because we have to take the response from Google Sheets to send the emails. So for that, let's select our trigger application as Google Sheets. Then we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So new or updated spreadsheet row will be our trigger event. As we want that as soon as we are going to receive a new details as a new row will be added in Google Sheets, the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So for that, first of all, we have to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. To do that, you can see we have received some instructions and we have also received a webhook URL. So by following the given instructions, we have to copy the webhook URL and we have to insert it inside our Google Sheets to build this connection successfully. Then webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new response of then the webhook URL will act as a bridge for transferring the data from Google Sheets for a new response towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now first of all, I will take you towards my Google Sheets and I am going to show you each and every step that how you have to build this connection. To do that, we just have to go towards extensions. Here we have multiple options. So we have to go towards add-ons and we have to click on get add-ons. It is going to take us towards Google Workspace Marketplace where we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I have already installed that, so I'm going to cross it. And once you will install the add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet once so that you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. As I can see the option, let's go towards initial setup, as we have to do an initial setup to build this connection successfully. In this, we have to enter two details, webhook URL and the trigger column. So first of all, let's quickly paste the webhook URL, which we have copied from Pabbly Connect in this field. And the next is the trigger column. Trigger column is the final data column on which if the data will be added, the whole of that row is going to be sent towards Pabbly Connect. So as you can see in my spreadsheet, I have three columns, A, B and C. Column because C is my last column and I want that as soon as a new row will be added in my spreadsheet up till the C column, then only the response should be sent towards Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select C as my trigger column. Okay, according to your spreadsheet and the data of the customers, you can select the trigger column. Then we'll click on send test to send the test response. So the first row with the name as demo customer is going to be sent so that we can use that response to complete our automation. As we have done that, the test data is sent successfully. Let's submit the initial setup. And as we have done that, you can see that our setup is configured. So I'm going to cross this. We will move back towards Pabbly Connect. And over here, instantly the response is captured. So first of all, here we have the WhatsApp number of the customer. We have the trigger column, which we have selected as C. Then you can see we have the name of the spreadsheet ID, the sheet name, the sheet ID, and the row index. That means the number of row for which the data is received. We have row number 2, so the row index is 2. And we have the email of the customer as well. And over here, we can see instantly the response is captured. In the response, we have received all the details. So first of all, let's start reading them. So here we have the names. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the WhatsApp number, we have the trigger column, we have the name of the spreadsheet, we have the spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, that means the number of row for which we have received the data, the test data. We have row number 2, so we have the row index as 2. Then we have the name of the customer and the email address. This means our connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. After building this connection, because my objective is that I have the details of all my customers, I'm going to send emails to each of them. But I want that as soon as I'm going to add a new row as well up till my trigger column for a new detail of a customer, then also the data should be keep on sending automatically towards Pabbly Connect. To do that, we have to perform one more action. We have to go towards extensions. We have to go towards Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then we have to click on this send on event button. As we have done that, we have made sure that now whenever a new row will be added in our spreadsheet, up till the trigger column, the data will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect automatically. Once we have set up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect successfully, let's go back. Let's move forward and we will send the email now. So for sending the email, we have to go towards our action step and we have to select our action application as Gmail. Then we have to select the action event. What do you want? I want to send the email. So here send email V1. So here send email V1 will be my action event. Let's click on connect. For this, you can see I'm already logged into my Gmail account. For building this connection, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new one. So I have selected add new connection. I will click on connect with Gmail. And over here, it is asking us to select the account. I have selected that. Now, Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Gmail account. So I'm going to click on allow as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Now the authorization has become successful and the connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So here we have to enter the details in these fields to send the email automatically. And to start with, we are going to enter the details in the email address. So it is asking us recipient email address. Who is going to receive the email? The receiver is my customer. I have the details of that customer in my Google Sheets and I've already received that in my earlier response. So instead of entering the email manually, over here I'm going to map the email address. You can see here I have the email. I will simply insert it from the previous step and I have mapped that. So when I've mapped this email, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So this means every time a new data is going to be captured through Google Sheets, automatically the email is going to replace with a new email of that new customer. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. Now let's move forward. Here it is asking us a sender name. Who is sending the email? I am sending the email for my business with a name as Pabbly. So here I'm going to give the sender name as Pabbly. And because I have entered this name manually by typing, so it is not going to replace now. It will be same each time as it has become static. Now it is asking us the email subject. What is the subject of your email? So here the email subject will be, so this will be my email subject. Happy New Year and a special gift for you. Then here, if you want to enter a reply to email, you can enter it over here. Now I'm going to directly move towards the email content type. I want to send this kind of attractive and catchy email. I'm not going to send a normal email for that. Here my content type will be HTML in that case. So here the email content type will be HTML. Now we have to enter the email content. All right. So here I have entered the content of my email that is in the HTML format. If you do not know how to convert the Word format into HTML, you can just use Word to HTML. That is an amazing application which will help you to convert your normal text into HTML. So you will enter the normal text over here. When you will go towards HTML, you will find the HTML format and that to correct one. All right. Now here I have to send the personalized emails to my customers with their name. So here in the dear customer's name, I'm going to simply map the name of my customer. Okay, so here we have the name of a customer. We have mapped that and done. So this is my message. And now if you want to attach any brochure or any New Year wish card as well along with the email, for that you can enter the file name and the file URL over here in these fields. I do not want them, so I'm going to ignore these fields. Now I'm going to directly click on Save and Send Test Request button. And as we have done that, you can see that the response is captured, that the mail is sent. So I'm going to open the email address of this person. I'm going to check whether the mail is received or not. And over here, you can see that the mail is received with the name as Pabbly. And when I'm going to open this mail, here we have the subject and we have an amazing email. Along with this, we also have the discount code. Okay, New Year discount. And also we have the name of the customer. This means our connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now my objective is to send the emails in the personalized format to each of these customers I have. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards extensions. I will go towards Pabbly Connect webhooks and I will simply click on Send All Data button. As soon as I have done that, you will see that the mails will be received to all these customers with their name. So let me take you towards the mail. And over here, you can see that, yes, here we have received the mail, first of all, for the dummy user. Then we have the mail for demo. And over here, you can see we have received so many mails. This means that the connection between Google Sheets and this means our workflow is absolutely successful. And now, apart from this, when I'm going to add a new row as well, let's say I'm going to add a new row as amazing customer. Let's say the email is. And as soon as I've entered a new row over here, up till my trigger column, I'm going to take you towards the mail and we will see that a mail will be received for this customer as well. And yes, here we can see that the mail is received for amazing customer. So in the similar manner, you can very easily create this amazing automation for sending New Year wishes to your customers along with the discount offers to increase the sales, engage your customers, as well as to grow your business. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is very helpful for your business this new year. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.